Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am over the moon excited to show you this collection. This is the Dancin Christmas Collection at Spellbinders. This one is pure fun. Great for cards for kids, those young at heart, those folks who need a little uplifting, something to make them smile and just enjoy the holiday. The holidays can be stressful. These little interactive characters will have anybody smiling. I was at a recent crop and I was working on these projects. The amount of croppers that passed me and like, what's that? What's that? Oh my gosh. And then I shake it and they just loved it. Most of the crafters down here in Florida, especially South Florida, are scrapbookers. So when they looked at it, they're like, oh, you're making cards. And I'm like, at this sizing, these are great for your scrapbook layouts. And they looked at it and like, yeah, you are right. Yeah, that would be great for scrapbooking. So it is just pure fun, great sizing. There are 4 die sets. Figgy Pudding, my favorite. Gingerbread, my next favorite. The little mouse and dancing penguins. These are all adorable. But these two, especially this one, just had me giggling like crazy. I thought it would have been the gingerbread, but it was something about Figgy Pudding. And then a fabulous embossing folder. This is monoline stars. If it's kind of familiar to you, it is the big brother to Glimmer Monoline Stars hot foil plate. I will put a link for this and add this too, just in case you love this style. I mean, here you can see it better. But you see those stars? It is just very pretty. I just really love this. This is a 2D embossing folder, so this would just run through your standard die cut machine. Still oversized embossing folder. 5.5 inch wide, 8.5 inch tall. And you get a stamp set. High quality photopolymer stamps, which has cheeky sayings that goes along with all of this, including my little favorite here, Figgy Pudding. Bring Figgy Pudding and a cup of good cheer. I tell you, gingerbread, sending gingerbread hugs and holiday wishes. Special delivery from me to you that applies here and beyond this set. May the little things bring you joy again beyond. Skating by to say Merry Christmas. The penguin, because the penguin is on skates. I think you guys saw these two in my fall warehouse video. I will link it here because that sale is still going on. Some of those super steals are already selling out, so definitely check out that video and check out that sale. To my favorite pudding. These just had me cracking up. You're on my mice list. So cute. Alrighty, crafters, let's just go into this video of cuteness, adorableness. Bring smiles and laughter to every single recipient, and these come together so easy. Let's get started. Okay, crafters, first up. Here's my Figgy Pudding. I inked my Figgy Pudding with some Distress ink. I love the name so much, it makes me laugh. So this card is my, and I told everybody at the crop too, this is my Miami Vice Figgy Pudding. Remember the show Miami Vice was pink and turquoise? So that was my inspiration for the colorways. I did use a black pen to give little eyelash, so she's a female. Just love this so much. And here in the background, that's the Monoline Stars 2D embossing folder. Used a little bit of salvage patina in the background. Put my little Figgy Pudding with her little figgy legs. Let's look at her little figgy legs. They're not moving as great because I did not carry the mechanism with me that I normally use, my high quality round pop dots. I bought some at the crop. They were not the greatest. So it's like they're moving. Okay, there we go. So the little legs move. I think they're holding it just a little bit more. But if you want a better hold, but isn't that cute? Look at those legs going. So sweet. Easy to put together. Love this little bit too. Holly and berries. There's the arms. Here are the gloves, boots, scarf, all the scarf layers. There is pudding. Here is the, I love the melty drip on a good pudding. Spellbinders elf, you came through again. Just putting this just was like the perfect thing. On this, a few people asked me about this too. This is white glossy cardstock. The only place I found white glossy Simon Says stamp. It's their brand of cardstock, okay? But you could put glitter too, but I do like the white glossy. Really gives that drippy good feel. And then I finished it off with Merry Christmas. It's from the Classic Christmas Collection, and this is the Classic Merry Christmas word die. So this is a 5x7 card. I put Merry at this angle and then Christmas at the bottom. The white glitter cardstock that you see for the sentiment, that is Spellbinders pop-up white glitter foam. So beautiful. Look how it cuts so well. Before they had the pack of black and white, now there's all white. Let me show you. Here's a little sidebar on Spellbinders pop-up die cutting glitter foam. Before, when they introduced this last year, I bought a few packs of this white with the black. That's how it was. 5 sheets of white, 5 sheets of black. This foam, which is so nice. 1, it die cuts well, keeps its shape. 2, the quality of the glitter, it doesn't shed. That's 1. But then also it is white glitter. It's not white glitter with specks of blue, specks of this, that. So if you want to do scene building cards, like if I wanted to do a hill here, I could die cut that out. Even use my scissors and just cut a shape and put it here. I could have used this up here, etc. Things like that. Seeing that this has gone so well, and in my pack, I haven't really used the black, but I keep using the white. So what Spellbinders did this time was come out with 10 sheets only of all white. Thumbs up. And they have other colors. I believe the collection is called Holiday Glitter Collection. I will link it below because there is certain colors like I think gold and champagne that are all 10 in a pack. They're all very pretty. So I already bought a pack of this. I still have some of this. I always try to reach a certain amount when I shop at Spellbinders to get the free shipping. I can't help it. I just add cardstock and some foam and then some wax beads and I'm there. That pop-up foam, fabulous. So you can do the black and white pack. They still have that, or all of one color, all black, all white, etc. Black, great for Halloween. Alrighty, Figgy Pudding in a Miami Vice style. She's just adorable. She has me just laughing. I love her so much. Look at little legs. And you can do the pudding by itself too, depending on what your project is. Oh yes, without the legs. Oh gosh, how could I forget? On the inside, with the stamp set, I use Bring Figgy Pudding and a Cup of Good Cheer. The cup. This is currently on sale in the fall warehouse sale. Coffee and tea die set. There it is. Again, Miami Vice. And here I'm using Dune cardstock, Spellbinders Dune. It's not craft. It's prettier than craft. I love Dune. So it's like that and then the Cup of Good Cheer on the inside. Yeah, I was having fun at the crop making this card. Everybody was passing by. What's that? And I like my little Figgy Pudding. Oh, it's so cute. I'm telling you, it was a home run. Next, here's my gingers. My dancing gingers. Let me get them really going. I love the gingers. So this is Dancing Ginger. Oh, did I give a measurement? Okay, I'm too excited by Figgy. I know. Let me give you a measurement. I'm going to go from here. I'm not going to go from there, okay? Because it depends on where you put that. Almost 3.5 inch tall by, depending on the arms, 3.5 inch wide. You can still fit this on an A2 card, okay? So super cute. So you're stressed out at work and you want to make cards for everybody that's just driving you crazy. Give them one of these. This is so cute. So here is the dancing gingers. We have Ginger Girl and Ginger Boy. So I love this one because it's 2 of them. You get everything to make her. Again, I used that same white glossy cardstock for the hat, the pom-pom, her frosting. I used it for the body, the trim on her dress. So super cute. This cardstock is Lawn Fawn's paper bag. I like to use that for gingerbread. And then the brown on the inside, I can't remember what the brown is. I did take my white Jelly Roll pen to put the little dots in the eyes just to bring the eyes to life. Pop some pink in the cheeks and then had fun with different shades of red. This is Spellbinders Pomegranate. This is Spellbinders Poppy Field cardstock. I made her a little bit lighter than him in the shades of red, just to add a little variety. On the background, because I had the 2 of them, I wasn't sure where I wanted to go. And I also carried BB's Snowflake Collection with me. So I made a shaped card. I think he's a little bit taller. 3.5 inch tall by 2. She is 3, same by 2. BB Snowflake. Let's look at BB Snowflake because it is just so pretty. This is the Snowflake card creator, and you get the base, and then you cut out this part and layer it on top. In the background, that is Spellbinders Partly Cloudy cardstock with white glitter cardstock from my stash. And I layered it up on top. Yes, I did use adhesive sheets for this. Gluing this down, This card is 6 inches all the way around, and I did cut a second layer and score on the back to turn it into a card. On the inside, I took some gray pigment ink and stamped out "Sending Gingerbread Hugs and Holiday Wishes." That's right here. Okay, so look how pretty that's stamped, and I love the gray on the inside with this instead of going black. And they come together very easy. If you do get this set, follow the packaging, okay, for the instructions on how to do it. So pretty. These are just so cute. Oh goodness, I have to come back again. Maybe I can do a Christmas party. Figgy and the Gingers hanging out. So, Snowflake card creator and dancing gingerbread dies. Winners together. So pretty. I was just having way too much fun. Next, we have the penguin skating by to say Merry Christmas. I showed this in the Fall Warehouse video. In the background, I use the Loops embossing folder. Anytime you want to have just a little bit of light eeriness and play in your cards, this is a great embossing folder for that. It came with the birthday collection last year. In this instance, I found it to be great with this. Maybe the loops represent skating in a loop or something. Anytime I want something a little bit more playful in an embossing folder, I usually reach for loops. This one goes on sale all the time, so you can pick up 1 or 2. Great deal, oversized embossing folder, 2D. Also in the sale, this is postage edge rectangles. I use this size right here. Now this is a play on grays. If you love grays and you want to bring them into your cards, I could have put blue here and turned this masculine. I did use a pen to give it eyelashes to make her girly. It is a masculine penguin when you don't add those little bits, colors and stuff. And wouldn't it have been nice if I showed you this? Dancing penguin dies. Oh, here is the body in black. This is the top part in white. The nose is right there. The bill. The scarf and this little star wand, that's all in one piece. And then here, that's the clothes. This and this is for the cap. That's the cheek. It pops out, you pop it back in. And then the little boots right here with the leg. And that's the mechanism. The mechanism on gingerbread is here. This one is a bigger mechanism. And the mechanism on Figgy Pudding right there. So super duper cute. Where you can stick a little foam circle adhesive to have them move. Layers of gray. Spellbinders Fog cardstock on sale. Graphite on sale. Lunar on sale. Look how beautiful they interact together. If you love all the grays with the black, thumbs up. So this would be great for masculine cards. Great color combination coming in for your masculine cards. The sentiment, skating by to say Merry Christmas. That's right here. I did cut it out and then I used, also on sale, sentiment labels. Love this set. Use this die to cut it out and then just cut off the edges, put it in here. And there it is. Look at that. Finish it off with some pink gems. This right here, this is Concord and Ninth Dragon Fruit cardstock. Love this cardstock. Spellbinders, if you come out with something like this, it's like pink with a splash of purple. Just so bright. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. And then I put one of Spellbinder's silver gems here and a little bit of glitter here and on the boots. In this cute skating by to say Merry Christmas. So this is a mini slimline card. Love. All right, next we have the mouse. Again, look at the legs going. This is my masculine card. Look at this little guy. And so I didn't put no eyelashes and all that. I just left it as a boy or a young man carrying his present. I constructed the present first. The colors you're seeing here: Spellbinders Blue Spruce, Poppy Field, Waterfall, Glitter White Pop-Up Foam, Spellbinders Fog cardstock, and the Lunar and the Graphite. See, just all Spellbinders cardstock. Layered up and having fun. The pink sand. So I assembled the gift first. Then I used another favorite 2D embossing folder. This is another embossing folder to the loops that I love to use a lot from the same birthday collection last year. Hand-drawn scallops. And instead of having the scallops go up like the example here, I do them facing down. I think it's perfect for the gift. Great spacing. It just gives a little texture. Even though it's red and red, it's two different shades of red. Pomegranate and that poppy peel. When you put an embossing folder here, you can definitely see the layers so they're not matchy-matchy. Did the construction here, put the foam here for the bow, then created the mouse. This is his head. You put the feet on the bottom and then put the boots on top because you want the feet, this part, anchored to the pants. There is the circle mechanism again for the swing, for the interaction. Do you have to do the interaction? No, I could have just stuck it, all of it like this and be done. So you can choose to interact or not interact. That sounds weird, doesn't it? But truly, you can choose to either keep it or don't keep it. I like it, just a little foam circle. Tail, hand, inside the ear. These two are for the scarf. There is the shirt. And then down here, this is all layers of the shoe. You can do a shoe, the bottom of the shoe, and then the boot. It's just layers of play. This is the only thing I think I don't know what this is. It's a little something. I don't know. It's something. But I still got the card finished. The mouse alone, 3.5-inch tall, with the tail and everything. You're looking at about 2 3/4 of an inch wide, with the present all the way down 4 inches. So you can still fit this on an A2 card, and then the same width. In the background, this is from the Sealed for Christmas collection. Have a video coming soon. I'm still working on that one because, ooh, there are just so many beautiful wax seal stamps. Just thumbs up on the wax seal stamps. Love, 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 love. This is the Evergreen. This is a 3D embossing folder. You would use a universal plate system. Look at the Evergreen in black. I did the black cardstock just to recess it way back. Have the popper color here. Then here now, the outlined Christmas sentiments. This is a great price point right now in the fall warehouse sale. It's just so fabulous and great sizing. Not too big, not too small. So I did holiday cheer from this set. You even get florals up here. Special delivery from me to you. That's from the stamp set here. Special delivery right there. Again, cut out with sentiment labels. So the sentiment label seems to work very well with this set. To finish it off, I came in with Spellbinders enamel dots. This one is red and green. I bought this. I think I need another pack. But I love these enamel dots. I love to put them right here too, just to tie in back with the red. Okay, crafters, so in summary, there is loads and loads and loads of cuteness, joy, and fun with this collection. I so love the Dancin Christmas Collection. This is just out the gate winner, fun, adorableness. Crafters pass by and they would pause and just look and go, gosh, that is so cute. Where's that from? And I would tell them, it's coming, it's coming. A winning die set. So love. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Until the next video. Bye from Miami Vice Figgy Pudding. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.